Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. We've just done a Starline i96 on this really lovely Range Rover Velar. Just going to show you in its basic form how to disarm the system. Basically, we've paired it to the phone and we've done the buttons, but I'm going to show you on the phone. So basically, phone is in the vehicle, paired to the system, Bluetooth is on, foot on the brake, start. You'll hear a little melody and then you'll be able to select a gear. Okay, as we see, select a gear, vehicle's running. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the Bluetooth off and I'm going to show you how the vehicle actually immobilises itself if someone wants to do a relay attack on your keys or grab your keys from your house. So I'm going to just turn off Bluetooth now. So I've turned Bluetooth off now. Obviously the tag is out of range, we're just simulating that. Someone clones this key, jumps in, starts the vehicle up. Now if I select a gear, if you watch carefully, that vehicle's going to cut out. Okay, vehicle's cut out. You see it's gone into reverse, vehicle's cut out. So basically, this is how the Starline tag works. I'm actually going to turn the Bluetooth on now and I'm going to show you how to put it in valet mode. So now I've just turned the Bluetooth back on and as you can see, we've got a green circle around it. So just to put it in valet mode, really simple. Finger on the key, hold it till it goes to amber. Release, 2 bleeps, now in valet mode. Give it to the car wash, give it to the mechanic, he can service it. No phone needed, no push sequence on the steering wheel to disarm it needed. When you get the vehicle back, really simple. Finger on the key again, hold it till it goes to green. 2 bleeps, out of valet mode. So we can start it and you'll hear a melody and we'll be able to select a gear. Vehicle's now running. We heard a slight melody. Now I can select a gear if you watch carefully. There you go, fine. Approved authorization. Also, now I'm just going to show you basically just a push sequence on how to disarm it, very similar to other CAN bus immobilizers. So I'm just going to turn the Bluetooth off again on my phone. Bluetooth is off. I'm going to show you it's immobilized, so I'm going to start the vehicle again quickly. I think it's about 10 seconds now. Let's just start it now. Okay, if I select a gear, there you go, vehicle switched off. Okay, so now I'm just going to use the push sequence. Obviously some people want to use the phone, some people want to use a push sequence. So now I'm going to start it again, but this time I'm going to put a push sequence in. It's going to disarm and we'll be able to drive away again. So start it up. On here I've done something really basic, so 1, 2, 3. There you go, melody, select a gear. Okay, we're in reverse now. So that's how it works. Hope you found this video helpful. As I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company, and this is a Starline Immobiliser that we fitted to this vehicle today. Number to me is 028 9060 478, 028 9060 478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.